Guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first you have to open messages or any other area where you can input some text. I will go with this keypad, and now all you have to do is to click on settings icon, go to languages and click on add keyboard. Then select the language that you want to apply. Okay, so actually it's quite similar. Let me show you some with different letters. Still not the one. As you can see, we've got plenty of languages here. So no matter where you're from, you will definitely find something suitable for you. And let me apply Hebrew so the change is pretty visible. Then you can also remove unnecessary language if you wish to have one keyboard only. And here it is. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.